Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a character AI bot. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI. Make sure your internet connection is stable for faster creation. And over here, you can see many characters. Likewise, you can also create characters on it. So over here you can see the option of create at the second with the plus icon. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of character, group chat, personal and voice, persona and voice. Tap on character. Here you can see the name. I will type Lily, then tap on next. Describe what Lily looks like, then tap on next after writing it. Greetings. What would Lily greet? How would Lily introduce themselves? Hi. Enter how your character would introduce themselves. Here you can see the option of visibility, public, unlisted, private. I would like to keep it private. If you want, you can choose public or unlisted as well. I will choose private for this time. Then after, you can see the option of next in over here at the bottom. Tap on it. Here you can see image generation. Enable image generation for this character. I would tick it. Then add subtitles, add description, add character definition. Then I will tap on create. Now there you have Lily. You have created a character called Lily. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.